નમસ્કાર મારા વહાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મારા વહાલા બાળકો, હજી સુધી તમે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો જલ્દી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને વિડીયોને લાઇક કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજે આપણે ધોરણ 6 અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં અસાઇનમેન્ટ સોલ્યુશનમાં પ્રશ્ન 2D અને ઈનું સોલ્યુશન કરીશું. પ્રશ્ન 2D. Complete the dialogues using the words phrases from the brackets. કૌંસમાં આપેલા શબ્દો અથવા શબ્દ સમૂહો વડે સંવાદ પૂર્ણ કરો. આ પ્રશ્ન તમારા પ્રશ્નપત્રમાં 5 ગુણમાં પૂછાય છે. જોઈએ. 1. કિરણ said, "Good evening, Mr. Pandya." Mr. Pandya said, "Good evening, Kiran. What do you want?" કિરણ said, અહીં ખાલી જગ્યા છે જેમાં જવાબ આવશે I want some medicines. Mr. Pandya said, "Do you have the doctor's prescription?" Kiran said, "Yes, here is the prescription." Mr. Pandya giving the medicines. Here are the medicines. Kiran said, "How much is the bill?" Mr. Pandya said, "850. Kiran said, paying the bill. "Thank you, Mr. Pandya. Bye." Mr. Pandya said, "You are welcome. Bye." Number 2. Shopkeeper said, "Excuse me, madam. May I help you?" Mrs. Dave, "Yes, sure. Do you have storybooks for children?" Shopkeeper said, "Yes." "Which age group, madam?" Mrs. Dave said, "Around 10 years." Shopkeeper said, "Okay, please come with me. I will take you to that section." Mrs. Dave, "Thank you for your help." Shopkeeper said, "You are welcome." 3. Ankita said, "Hi Dave, how are you?" Dave said, "I am fine, Ankita. Thank you. How are you?" Ankita, "Oh, I am worried about the English test tomorrow." Dave said, "Why? What happened?" Ankita said, "Would you please help me to revise the topics?" Dave said, "Yes, of course." Ankita said, "So nice of you, Dave. I will get my book." 4. Samir said, "Megha, meet my friend Nikhil." Megha said, "Hi Nikhil, nice to meet you." Nikhil said, "Hi Neha, glad to meet you." Samir said, "Megha, Nikhil has won a gold medal in chess." Megha said, "Congratulations, Nikhil. That's great." Nikhil said, "Thank you, Megha." Samir said, "Nikhil, Megha is also a good chess player." Nikhil said, "Oh really? That's wonderful." Samir said, "Let's play chess today evening." Megha said, "Oh, that's a good idea." Nikhil said, "Yes, we will have fun together." હવે પ્રશ્ન 2E જોઈએ. Read the paragraphs and answer the questions. આ પ્રશ્ન પણ 5 ગુણનો તમારા પ્રશ્નપત્રમાં પૂછાય છે. Paragraph 1. Once the kingdom of Vijayanagar was troubled by rats. King Krishnadev decided to give a cat to each house to hunt the rats. He gave a cow to each house to feed the cat. Tenali thought that the whole idea was stupid. Next day, Tenali gave his cat hot milk in a bowl. The cat's tongue was burnt and it ran away. Question 1. Who was the king of Vijayanagar? King Krishnadev was the king of Vijayanagar. 2. What did King Krishnadevarai decide? King Krishnadevarai decided to give a cat to each house to hunt the rats. 3. Who thought that the king's idea was stupid? Tenali Raman thought that the king's idea was stupid. 4. What did Tenali give to the cat? Tenali gave hot milk to the cat. 5. Which word in the passage means silly, stupid? Paragraph 2. The king guessed what had happened. Tenali Raman said, "Tell me one thing. If the cats are well fed, will they hunt the rats? Instead of giving milk to cats, we should give milk to our poor people. When cats will be hungry, they will definitely hunt the rats." The king liked the idea and ordered to give milk to the poor people. After some days, the cats ate up all the rats. All the people became happy. Question 1. Why did the cats not hunt the rats? Answer. The cats did not hunt the rats because they were well fed. 2. Did the king like Tenali's idea? Yes, the king liked Tenali's idea. 3. What did the king order? The king ordered to give milk to the poor people. 4. What happened after some days? After some days, the cats ate up all the rats. 5. Which word in the passage means certainly, definitely? Paragraph 3. Once a group of villagers came to Mulla Nasiruddin. They had a problem that they could not solve. The serpent's son Raja said, "I will tell you what the problem is. My father has made a will in that he has written that I should get half of his property and the rest should be divided equally among these four cousins." Question 1. Why did the villagers come to Mulla Nasiruddin? The villagers came to Mulla Nasiruddin because they had a problem that they could not solve. 2. Who was Raja? Raja was the serpent's son. 3. Who had made a will? Raja's father, the serpent, had made a will. 4. How many cousins did Raja have? Raja had 4 cousins. 5. What had the Sarpanch given Raja? The Sarpanch had given Raja half of his property. Paragraph 4. Mulla said, "That's right. Now divide the 9 camels equally among the 4 cousins." The villagers said, "But Mulla, what about you? You will lose your camel." Mulla said, "Let's see. You first divide the camels and then we can decide what to do." The boy said, "2 camels for each cousin, but it leaves us with one extra." Mulla said, "That's mine. Thanks for returning it to me." Question 1. How many camels were divided equally among the 4 cousins? 9 camels were divided equally among the 4 cousins. 2. How many camels did each cousin get? Each cousin got 2 camels. 3. How many extra camels were left in the end? In the end, one extra camel was left. 4. Who took the extra camel? Mulla took the extra camel. 5. Did Nasiruddin get his camel back? Yes, Nasiruddin got his camel back. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં પ્રશ્ન ડી અને પ્રશ્ન ઈનું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન પૂર્ણ થાય છે. વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઇક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. આવા જ અવનવા ઉપયોગી વિડીયો જોવા માટે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો. મળીએ એક નવા વિડીયો સાથે. ધન્યવાદ.